Alright, sup nerds, in this question asks us to write an instruction sequence to perform the operations equivalent to those performed by the following high-level language statements. So then I equals 11, j equals 33, and it says k is equal to I plus j minus 5. Then it says assume that the variables I, j, and k are located at 1000, 1005, and 1010 respectively. Alright, so first thing we need to do is we need to load in the memory location 1000. So we're just gonna write LDAA 1000. Because you can't do anything unless you load something in first, right? So we're gonna say that this loads 1000 into A. Now that we have it in a temporary variable, that's how I like to see them, we can do stuff to it. So the first thing we're going to want to do is we have the equation right on the side. K equals I plus j minus 5. And we can rewrite this as the memory locations. 1010 equals 1000 plus 1005 minus 5. This, I'm writing it like this to know like how I'm gonna write my code. Okay, so now my next line, so I have this part loaded in. This is loaded. So my next part now, I need to add this to it. So I'm just gonna do add. And we called this, right here, right now, it's called A. Right? So we're gonna do add A. We wanna add this 1005 to it. So we're just gonna do 1005, and this adds whatever is inside like the 1005. We'll just write that 1005 to A. So at this point, move this up here. So at this point here, we have 1000 is 11. Here we have 11 plus 33. Because this is our I. This is our I plus j. Okay, so now we have to do that minus 5. So you just do sub. And then it's still, everything's still stored in A. Sub A, and then the number 5. So the syntax for it is pound or hashtag, whatever you want to call that. And then this just subtracts A by 5. So now at this point we have 11 plus 33 minus 5, which is exactly what we want. Now we have to store this answer somewhere, but that somewhere has to be it's a specific in this question. It has to be stored in this location, this 1010. So we're going to do STA, because we're going to store A, and then we want the location of K, so it's going to be stored in 1010. And this stores A in 1010. So this gives us now K equals 11 plus 33 minus 5, which is what our original goal was when we wrote that equation up on the top, and which is right here in the very last part of the question. So yeah, that's your answer.